Hello friends, welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Now I am taking problem number 2, the projection of plane in a rectangle. The question has been given a rectangular 50 into 20 mm. The plate is negligible thickness as its surface inclined at 60 degree to the HP. One of the smaller side is inclined at 30 degree on the VP. The drawing its projection, how to draw its projection. So the question has been given like that. So the solution, given solution is the rectangular plate, then the dimension is 50 mm into 20 mm. Theta surface is 60 degree. The angle made with HP. Theta smaller h is 30 degree. The angle made with an VP. So the question has been is given like that. Take x-axis and y-axis. It will be like this. This is a x, this is a y, HP and VP. So in the question they are given, see, assume I say this is a rectangle. So this is a 50 mm, this is a 20 mm. So the front view it will come like this. If you see top view, it will come like this. If you incline to 60 degree angle, it will come like this. From if you take like this, it will come one square. This is the third step. If you incline like this, or if you see like this also, it will come like this. So I'll teach you how to draw. The question 50 mm. So draw a rectangle of 50 mm. The question they are given 50 mm and make a rectangle. In the question they are given 20 mm. And 20 mm. Name the part like A, B, C and D. Draw a vertical line, so it will be a 90 degree. So it will be a 90 degree. So if you see from the top, you will get like this: A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. If you see, this is from the top. If you see, it will come like this. This is front view. Assume like that. After that, in the question they are given the theta surface which is made on a HP is 60 degree. 60 degree. By using a protractor, taken 60 degree. So what the measurement is A and B. Draw one simple extension line lightly using a compass. Cut one arc. So the measurement will come clearly like this: A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. So keep an extension like the right hand side. So you will get here top view. So this will be a square. So the square A, B, C, and D. So here the measurement what it is coming. Here the measurement is what is coming. We'll see. You're getting 22 and 20. So what the square it is there, we should do like this. So we have to take any point, keep an angle 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree like this. After that, what assume this cut an arc. Draw 90 degree angle like this. Draw lightly, so it will come like this. So what the dimension I have taken, BC, cut an arc, so that it will be a 90 degree and this angle will be a 90 degree. So this angle I has taken as 60 degree. This angle also I taken as 60 degree. Obviously you check here. It will come 30 degree. If you check this line, you will get a 30 degree. Keep protractor and do extension line. This is the point. You will get A, B, C, and D. Keep on extension like this. You will get a point like this. After that, see, this is the A, this is the B, this is a D, and this is a C. Join A and D, C and B. So the drawing will come like this. If you measure this one, you will get a 30 degree. If you minus a 90 degree, and it will get a 60 degree, so that you will get a 30 degree. This is what the class. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments. Share this video to your friends and put comments. If you have any doubt, if you can ask me. See, the drawing will come like this. Thank you for watching my channel.